some things will stay for long time. Whether they are with us long time or maybe whether they leave immediately, it doesn't make any kind of difference. Because ultimately in this world, nothing is going to go with us. Why? Because we are the spiritual entities. We are the servants of Supreme Lord. So only thing goes there is ourself. We ourself will go, not the thing which we have. If we have something which is spirit, which is living, that can go with us. In fact, if we observe very carefully, that will also not go with us. Why? Because when we talk about consciousness, it has its own desire. The individual, the jiva, it has its own desire. So each and every jiva has different desires. That is the reason it is said in the Kirtan, Anek loker vancha anek prakar. Different jivas, they have different desires. That is the reason Lord has empowered all his names equally. Why? Because someone will like to chant some name, someone will like attached to some other name, or someone will get attached to some other name. Lord is very merciful. Not that he says you have to chant only this name. No. There are many names. Whichever name you are getting attached, you just chant that name. Some are attached to Radharaman, some are attached to Radhanenanath, some are attached to Radha Govind, some are attached to Radha Gopinath. Whichever name you like, you just chant. All the names are equally empowered by the Lord. Why? Because different people have different kinds of desires. When your desire is different, the action you make to fulfill that desire is also totally different from the other person. Right? And the feeling you have when you feel what you are getting, that is also totally different. The feeling I have, the feeling you have, the feeling you have, the feeling he has, everything is totally different from person to person. Realizations are different, everything is different. So that's why matter can never go with us. Even if we are two living entities, not necessary that both will reach to at one place at one time. Like that. So that's why we have to surrender to Krishna. We have to surrender to Gurudev. We have to surrender to Vaishnavas. And we have to make them as our family, as they are dear to me. If they are not dear to me, then definitely nothing can be dear to me. If they can't help me, then definitely no one can help me. This is what we have to understand and keep in our mind, that my true happiness, my true bliss, my true existence lies only in taking the shelter of the lotus feet of Guru Vaishnava Bhagavan, nothing else. This is what we have to understand. And this is what Lord is also teaching us, but in a different way. And this is what Mahamaya is also teaching. The external energy of the Lord is also teaching us, but in a different way. How she is teaching? With three modes of material nature. Sometimes, with the mode of ignorance, but sometimes with the mode of passion, sometimes with the mode of goodness. So sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are sad, sometimes like this, sometimes like that. Why? She is doing the jiva like this. Why? Because we can sit peacefully and try to think and try to understand what's going on. Like that. If everything goes smooth, no one will think. Like that. So with the three modes of material nature, she is doing like this. Just to awaken us, just to tell us, you are anchoring for those things which doesn't belong to you. have to leave them here or they will kick you. Something can happen in your life. It can appear in any form. It can appear in the form of person or in the form of an object, in the form of anything. It can take any form, but everything is teaching us day by day, minute by minute, and second by second that you have to attach to Krishna, not to this world. Don't develop any kind of love and attachment for this world. If not this, maybe that. If not that, maybe this. No. We have to put an end here that yes, it's high time now. It is the mercy, it is the arrangement of the Supreme Lord that I have got this opportunity where I can surrender to Gurudev, where I can surrender to Holy Name, where I can surrender to Krishna more and more and more. There is no bondage now like that, right?